Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Italian Makes It. Today I'm gonna paint the sign for the bar for my Wes Anderson photography project. Yay! We're out in the garden today, my first video outside. Oh, it's a little bit windy. Today is going to be the last video connected to my photography project, hence the reason why I'm in the bar, and I will be painting a new sign. Oh my god, this is exciting. This is so exciting. And this is what I will be doing. Woohoo! Hope you can see it. Oh, and the colors are going to be amazing. It's going to be like some sort of white, off-white, creamy color as a background, and then there's going to be pink, darker pink, a little bit of yellow and blue. Oh my god, it's going to be fantastic. It's going to be like more earthy tones, so I'm going to be adding a little bit of burnt sienna. When I said to my husband that I wanted to add a little bit of burnt sienna, he said to me, oh, treasury or something like that, which is fancy word because he's been to art college. And I said to him, all I want to do is just add burnt sienna paint. Anyway, so these are the colors that we're going to be using. I've already mixed them, but let's get on with it. I know I'm going to get really messy, so I'm going to don my gloves. Gloves on. And oh, look at this. I've already mixed all the colors, so that's going to be easy to do. And on this one, I've just added to the white, I've added a little bit of cadmium yellow and burnt sienna. So it's got that lovely creamy off-white color, which is going to be amazing. It's going to work really, really well. Let me just give it a little bit of a stir. I've used, for the white, I've used emulsion paint. It's cheaper, it's easier. And then I've just added the colors and turn it to what I needed. I need a big brush and we're ready to go. Woohoo! Oh, look at that, this is so satisfying. It looks like one coat will do the job. Ta-da! And the base coat has been done. Woohoo! Now what I need to do is wait for this to dry, trace the design on the board, and then start doing all the details. Ooh. Oh, that's going to be the fun bit, the hardest bit, and the most important bit. I shall see you in a minute once this is dry to carry on with the painting. Exciting! Yay! See you later. Here we go. The board is now nice and dry. I've attached my design onto the board because I will be tracing it. But let me show you what I would like to achieve. This is a design that I've done together with my husband. And basically I told him what to do and then he did it. And then we decided the colors together. And I'm not sure if you can see it, but these are the colors that I'm going to be using. There or thereabouts. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to use carbon paper to trace the design onto the board. And then I'm going to draw all the lines that I am going to use for the background. And then I'm going to paint and do all the details. Oh my God, it's going to take forever, but bear with me, we'll get there. And we're going to do it. Let's trace the design onto the board and then we're going to start painting. Yeah, so cool. I'm so excited. I think I've calculated I might need 7 sheets of this and I'm going to put them like portraits just to make sure that I cover everything. So let's do that. Handling cardboard paper when it's a bit windy, not ideal, but I'll get there. There we go. The carbon paper is in place. Boom! Let's trace it. Ta-da! All the tracing is now done. Moment of truth. Oh, fingers crossed. I've done everything. Let's have a look. I'm always a bit nervous when I do this. So I'm always worried I missed a bit. It's okay. It's all good, I think. I'm just missing this bit. Yes. Ha! It's looking good. There we go. Now that all the tracing has been done, I've done all of the lines where I'm gonna be painting pink and cream and alternate it. I'm so excited about it. But so everything is ready and I can start painting. I've mixed some white emulsion with magenta and I got this lovely color, like a very light, oops, a very light pink. So, oh, this is gonna be amazing. Let's get on with it. I'm gonna do all the stripes and then I'm gonna wait for that to dry and then carry on this way. Each step I'm gonna wait for the first bit, like for the bit before to dry, just so then I don't smudge it or anything, like I've just done. So we'll have to, oops, repaint it cream. But let's start. That's it. The sign is now finished. I am so happy with it. It took me all day, but this gorgeous weather has been really, really nice. And because I've been using acrylic, they've been drying really, really quickly. So otherwise, it could have taken me ages, days. But all done. Do you want to have a look at it? Ah, I'm so pleased. So excited. Look at this. Oh, look at that. What do you think? Do you like it? I hope you do. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you have, why not give me the thumbs up? It really helps the channel to grow. And also, why not subscribe and hit that bell so you can receive the notifications on when the next video is out? Because there's going to be a little bit of a break, a little bit of a gap, because there's a few little bits and bobs that I still have to do in the background to make sure that the bar is fit for purpose. But the photo is coming. This is the last video of the Wes Anderson photography project. All my videos are going to be coming together, so not long, and then the video for the photo. So thank you so much for watching. Take care for now. Bye bye.